has become not only a fan favorite, an employee favorite, and everyone's favorite. There are so many stories, but one of my absolute favorites was I walked into the bakery one day and there was a very pregnant woman, looked like she was going to pop that kid any day, holding a large bowl of banana pudding. And I said, "Oh, are you having a baby shower or a big party?" And she said, "No, it's just me and a spoon." It is really good.